So the question is, I'm thinking about starting up a channel once I get my PC stuff set up. What's the best course of action for recording, editing videos while balancing having a full-time job? This is actually a really great problem to have, and I'll tell you why. Now, of course, I'm not talking about the PC stuff. Gear and all that stuff is totally up to you. It really doesn't matter. Please use what you have. But what I mean is having a full-time job as a content creator or before you become a content creator is actually one of the best blessings in disguise. And I'll tell you why. Most people, when they start a YouTube channel, they go at it all alone. They have to do the scripting, they have to do the filming, they have to do the video editing, the thumbnail design, the title concepts, all of that stuff, including like all the backend stuff when you're going to optimize it and when to upload, and the list goes on and on and on. So having a full-time job is actually going to help you grow your channel a whole lot faster because you can actually delegate a lot of these tasks, and you're going to be forced to treat YouTube like a business because while you're doing your full-time job, your only time or your only free time is going to be used to film content, and then you pass it on to a video editor that's going to edit the video eventually. So having a full-time job is going to force you to look at YouTube as a business and have a different kind of mindset and strategy for it, because when you have a full-time job, you're going to be focused on your job, obviously. In your only place and time that you can actually focus on your YouTube channel is coming up with the concepts and the ideas and filming. The next part is kind of delegating, giving everything off to a video editor and hopefully a thumbnail designer. In doing that, it's actually positioning you to look at your channel completely different. In the beginning, obviously, you take control of all of it, but having a full time job, you have to let go of some of it. And that's actually a blessing in disguise because the faster you let go of your channel, the faster you will propel and grow. Because the faster you get your content out, have someone edit it, and have somebody help you kind of build this, the faster you're going to monetize and the faster you can scale this YouTube business. And the faster you're going to get out of having a 9 to 5, which I think this is where they're going with this question. Honestly, the best thing that can happen to you is that, yes, you start a YouTube channel while you're working because it's going to force you to see your YouTube channel as an opportunity to grow a business and a following. So having a full-time job is a blessing in disguise. So use what you have, use the gear you have, use your ability, educate yourself, and kind of enjoy this process because YouTube is a journey. It's not an overnight thing. Yes, there are YouTube channels that blow up out of nowhere, but chances are, if you don't have the right building blocks and the right foundation, you're going to miss your window. So if you haven't done so, go ahead, download my free PDF where I walk you through the content pillars, the content schedule, all the things that you need to set yourself up for success. And if you're struggling to start, just start with whatever you have. Don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. Try to learn as fast as possible from YouTube because the more you learn, and trust me, there's a lot to learn, but the more you learn, the faster you're going to scale your team, your channel, everything. So I hope you got value out of this video. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.